But let's pick upon marriage. When we say restoration of standard in marriage, let every man out there who stand in for nuclear family, me and my wife, me and my husband, should maintain their lane without side chick of a man out there or side chick of a woman out there. Still, in the second nature or the philosophy I hold on to, restoration of standard. When we say marriage is not meant for every other person, it's not meant for every person, everybody. It's not meant for everybody, sorry. Marriage is meant for some certain individual, not everybody. Those who marriage is not meant for also maintained your partner out there. You are in together. Nothing like marriage. Maintain that relationship as well with sincerity than you causing confusion here and there. That's how standard can be restored. Standard can never be restored until that habit or the game men play is being rusticated or minimized to zero. When I say the game men played, the game men play is that they believe when you touch my wife or girlfriend, I will touch your wife as well. That's the game men played. You see, most of women doesn't trespasses if men did not penetrate to them, especially in marriage. These same men are the same men that will go out there to look for side chick. These same men are the same men that will try to protect their wife while other men will penetrate into their wives. So restoration of character of